Okay, Haley, I have a quick minute, so I'm going to try to do this for you. So let's go ahead and do, let's see. We'll go ahead and do this one. So it gives you the wavelength, and it also says that it's originally at n equals 7. So you know that's your n initial, and you're looking for what the final energy level is. Okay, so 397 nanometers. So we need to go to, so let's just kind of lay it out here. This is the wavelength. I know that because it's a length measurement. And ultimately, I'm going to need to use this equation. Okay, and I know that initial is 7, and this is what I'm looking for, n final. So I also need to know what the energy is, so that I don't, so I only have one unknown, okay? So I'm gonna use these two equations to calculate. I'm gonna put the wavelength in here to calculate the frequency, then get the frequency in there to calculate the energy, and then get the energy in there to calculate n final. So it's quite a few steps, okay? So let me start here. 397 nanometers. I'm gonna first convert that to meters. So 3.97 times 10 to the negative 7th meters. And then I'm gonna use C equals lambda nu, and C is 3 times 10 to the 8th. This is a constant from the equation sheet. The wavelength is what we have up there, 3.97 times 10 to the negative 7th meters, and frequency is what we're looking for. So frequency is 3 times 10 to the 8th divided by 3.97 times 10 to the negative 7th. Okay, so I'm assuming this is to the 15th, or sorry, to the 14th. My calculator doesn't like me sometimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, so this is inverse seconds. Okay, now I'm gonna plug that into here. So from the equation sheet, 6.626 times 10 to the negative 34th, and then this is times 7.56 times 10 to the 14th. Okay, so the energy there is it's pretty much 5.01 times 10 to the negative 19th. Okay, so now I need to plug that up here into this equation. Give myself a little bit more room. So 5.01 times 10 to the negative 19th equals, so the negative is going to get a little bit messy. I'm going to do it with it in there so you realize that it's not a big deal if it comes out the wrong sign. Okay, so 1 over n final squared minus 1 over 7 squared. So that's the equation I'm solving. So to kind of simplify this out, I'm just gonna do any of the math that I can do. So 2.18 times 10 to the negative 18th over n final squared minus 1 over 49. Okay, so probably the best thing to do here, I'm gonna have to give you a second half.